So I got a letter from Burnley and Trowbridge Company in Williamsburg, Virginia, and I'm very excited. Hey, Lucky. Hey, are you going to help me open the letter? Yeah? This is my unicorn letter opener. It says it's from England. My boyfriend got it for me for Christmas, so super cute. I love unicorns. So, I believe they sent me some lovely fabric swatches. You know, I always get kind of nervous ordering fabric online because, like, you can't, I like to be able to, sit there and, like, feel it. Oh, this feels amazing. But they send you swatches, so, like you can request to have swatches sent to you, so it's fantastic. And you can still do the fun feel thing. What did they send me? They sent me a little note. Oh, kitty, this is not for you. Alright, they said, Dear Marie, glad to make your acquaintance. I have enclosed samples of 3 fabrics and the silk ribbon colors you requested. Let me know what you decide. Stay safe and be well, Angela. And then we have their lovely company card. This is so lovely. So this video, if it's not obvious already, is sponsored by Burnley and Trowbridge Company. Everything that you see will be linked to their website, their YouTube, down in the description box. They're amazing, and I'm super excited to be able to do this with them. I will be making a cap. So I'm now, they sent me some of these fabrics to decide upon. So first up we have this lovely linen. It's like very, it feels nice and sturdy. Oh, and you can see all the pretty, you can see how well it's woven. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's good stuff. I mean, all their stuff is good stuff. I'm having fun with fabric. Ooh, okay. This is just so hard to decide because everything is so lovely. Because then we also have this silk, which is just magnificent. Ooh, all right. It's like you can see almost like straight through it. Like look at that. Like you can barely, like, oh, it's so nice. Oh, and everything here is like so historically accurate and so well researched. Ooh, now let's see. Now this is, oh dear. I can't, muslin. Oh, and it's so fine too. It's a little softer than the linen. Which is also just so nice. Also, so well, like, look how beautiful. So fine. So I will be making a cap out of this with the Burnley and Trowbridge pattern. They have a lovely cap pattern in there. Here, let's get all these next to each other. We'll just use the back of the letter here to show you all of the beautiful ribbon colors, because there's a lot of beautiful ribbon colors as well. So there's kind of that more teal and this dark blue, which is one of my favorite colors to wear is blue, because I think it looks really good with my pale skin. But my favorite color is purple, and then my second favorite color is pink. So we have that hot pink there. Then we have this nice light pink. Oh, and this lavender, that's literally like my favorite color. And then, ooh, this is, oh, I love that. That's almost like a, oh, kitty. Lucky, you knocked over my camera. Do you have anything to say for yourself? No? Okay. So back to ribbon. And Lucky's going to help us with that too. Aren't you, girl? Yeah. Okay. I love this. It's like almost like a really light lavender periwinkle. I love that color too. As you can tell, like my bedspread's that color. Lucky! Lucky, we were trying to see ribbon. Okay. So they're all beautiful, beautiful ribbon. They feel so nice and silky. Like, just so nice to touch. It's so hard to choose because I love all of these colors. So it really is going to depend on what outfit I want to put it with. And that's the hard thing. Because of course I can use this with like any outfit from this time period that we're going for. But what outfit do I want it to go most with is my question. So I'm going to think, Lucky, I'm going to think about that a little bit and then come back with the decision. So after much consideration and deliberation, I've decided on this beautiful silk with this beautiful pale pink ribbon, and I'm going to do that with my blue, basically the one that I want it to go most with, because I'll use it for a bunch of stuff, but this one is just for a decision's sake. I was going to use it with my blue Riba, like my Italianate gown that's worn a la Polonaise in the back. It's not a true Polonaise gown. Anyway, that's a whole nother video. But it's my Italianate gown worn a la Polonaise. It's this beautiful blue with a little stripe, and I'm making it to look kind of like, if any of you are American Girl doll fans, Elizabeth Cole's tea lesson gown, which I love. And she has this beautiful cap that she wears with her tea gown that has a pink ribbon on it, and it's kind of this material. So that's what I'm going to go with. I think Lucky approves too. So I told them of my choices at the absolutely amazing Burnley and Towbridge company, and they sent me a package, and I'm really, really excited. So we're going to open it. I'm going to try open. I apparently have a problem opening things. We're going to use the mail opener again. It is strong. Am I doing this right? Is this how you're supposed to do this? Okay, there we go. Oh, just had to get right there. Perfect. All right. Dun dun dun. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty, 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 pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. It's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. Just this fabric. Oh my goodness. Let us look. Let us look. Oh, it's so pretty. So here's the ribbon. And Lucky, of course, has to give her tail swish of approval. Can you please swish your tail that way? Such beautiful, beautiful ribbon. And then she even included a little lace for me to put along the little cap, just to make it extra gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful lace. Oh wow. Oh wow, oh wow. I am blessed. This is amazing. So we have some good wide ribbon and then some not as wide ribbon. I think this might be 1 1/4 and then this is 2. She's so pretty. And then here's the fabric, the silk, which is just so pretty. Oh wow. Such fine things. And then of course, what all these fine things are going to go into is the amazing Burnley and Trowbridge pattern. Here, let's get that. There we are. Burnley and Trowbridge historic patterns with the 18th century wired cap. So this is what I'm going to be making. And I'm super excited. Super, super, super excited. And then we have the cord, of course, or not cord, this is wire, because it is a wired cap. So please join me next time as I put all of these goodies to good use and start hand sewing the Burnley and Trowbridge 18th century wired cap. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and also please go check out the links down in the description box. Until next time, happy sewing!